Fairway woods have always been the most difficult clubs in the bag to master. They require the perfect blend of high launch, low spin, and enough forgiveness to survive a strike that isn't perfectly centered. As we move into the 2026 season, manufacturers have pivoted from pure speed to intelligent stability. We've seen a massive surge in AI-optimized face geometries and the rise of the 7-wood revolution, where even pros are ditching long irons for high-lofted woods. This list is for everyone, from the scratch golfer looking to reach par 5s and 2 to the high-handicapper who just wants a reliable safety club off the tee. These are the high-performance fairway woods 2026 has to offer. Number 5. Cobra Darkspeed X 2026 Edition. Performance. The Darkspeed X continues to be the king of versatility. It utilizes a mid-back weight configuration that creates a high, towering ball flight with enough stopping power to hold firm greens. It's remarkably consistent from both the tee and the tightest fairway lies. Technology and features. The standout feature is the AI-designed HOT face, which uses a variable thickness pattern to maintain ball speeds on off-center hits. Paired with the PWR bridge suspended weight, the face flexes more freely than previous generations, resulting in a more spring-like effect at impact. Design and build. Cobra has opted for a sleek matte black finish that looks aggressive and premium. The lightweight carbon crown allows for significant weight redistribution, pushing the center of gravity lower and further back for a more stable feel through the zone. Weight and portability. As a standard fairway wood, it sits comfortably in any stand or card bag. The carbon construction keeps the head weight optimized for high swing speeds without feeling flimsy. Pros. Very high, easy launch for mid to high handicappers. One of the most affordable high-performance options. Includes Arcos smart sensors for stat tracking. Cons. Sound can be a bit clunky compared to titanium models. The matte finish can show scratches over time. Best for/ideal use. The all-rounder golfer. It's perfect for the amateur who needs a mix of distance and help getting the ball in the air. Price and value. Retailing around $329, it's incredible value. You're getting tour-level AI technology at a price point that undercuts the big three brands significantly. Final verdict. A reliable, high-launching machine that proves you don't need to spend $600 to get elite distance. Number 4. Titleist GT1 Tour. Performance. The Titleist GT1 Tour is designed for the surgical ball striker. It offers a tour loft setup that is slightly stronger than standard, producing a penetrating, wind-cheating trajectory that low handicappers dream of. Technology and features. New for 2026 is the seamless thermoform crown, an ultra-lightweight material that allows Titleist to move the CG lower than ever before. It also features dual performance control settings, allowing you to swap weights to prioritize either stability or raw ball speed. Design and build. True to Titleist tradition, the build quality is flawless. It features a refined pear-shaped profile and a shallow face that sits perfectly flush to the turf. The classic gloss finish screams professional. Weight and portability. This is a precision instrument. The internal hosel has been hollowed out to save every possible gram, making the club feel fast and balanced throughout the swing. Pros. Best-in-class aesthetics and clean look. Unrivaled workability for shaping draws and fades. Exceptional sound and feel. Muted thud impact. Cons. Less forgiving on thin or fat strikes. Stronger lofts may be difficult for slower swing speeds to launch. Best for/ideal use. The low handicap player and competitive golfer who demands total control over their ball flight. Price and value. At $399, it's a premium investment. It's built for the player who knows exactly what they want out of their equipment. Final verdict. The GT1 Tour is the driver's car of fairway woods. Unmatched feel if you have the skill to handle it. Number 3. PXG Lightning 11-wood 2026. Performance. Yes, you heard that right, an 11-wood. The PXG Lightning series is disrupting the industry by proving that higher loft equals better control. This club is remarkably easy to hit out of the rough, acting as a rescue club with the distance of a mid-iron but the height of a wedge. Technology and features. Featuring progressive face geometry, PXG has tailored the face curvature specifically for the 11-wood loft. The thinner perimeter, 12.5% thinner than previous models, allows for 4% more face flex, meaning you aren't sacrificing distance for that extra loft. Design and build. It has a massive footprint than a hybrid, giving you a massive boost in confidence at address. The signature PXG weighting bolts allow for custom fitting to correct a slice or hook. Weight and portability. Despite the larger head size, it's incredibly light. It's designed to be swung effortlessly, making it a favorite for seniors and high-handicap enthusiasts. Pros: the easiest club in the world to launch from the rough. Incredible stop and drop performance on the green. Highly adjustable weighting system. Cons: the look of an 11-wood can be polarizing for traditionalists. Not ideal for playing in high wind conditions. Best for/ideal use. Beginners, seniors, or anyone who struggles to hit their 4, 5, or 6 irons consistently. Price and value. Usually priced around $329, it's an affordable high-performance fairway wood 2026 that can actually replace 3 other clubs in your bag. Final verdict. This is the ultimate ego checker. Forget what it looks like, it will lower your score instantly. Number 2. TaylorMade Qi35 Max 2026. Performance. The Qi35 Max is built for one thing: stability. TaylorMade has pushed the moment of inertia to the legal limits, meaning the head resists twisting even on the worst toe strikes. It provides a mid-high launch with remarkably low spin for a Max model. Technology and features. The 3D carbon crown returns, but with an updated through-slot speed pocket that protects ball speed on low face strikes. The advanced laser alignment on the top of the face makes it one of the easiest clubs in the 2026 lineup. Design and build. It's a 190cc head, so it's one of the larger profiles on the market. It features the refined V-steel sole, which has been updated for 2026 to further reduce friction with the ground, helping you maintain speed through impact. Weight and portability. It feels solid and planted. It's not the lightest club, but that weight is used to create a massive sweet spot that is very hard to miss. Pros: maximum forgiveness. Your bad shots still go straight. The best alignment aid in the industry. Very high MOI leads to incredibly tight dispersion. Cons: the large head size might feel a bit bulky to some. Premium price tag compared to Cobra or PXG. Best for/ideal use. The Sunday golfer who wants a reliable club for long par 4s and wants to eliminate the big miss. Price and value. At $349, it's priced competitively for a top-rated fairway wood 2026. Given TaylorMade's resale value, it's a safe bet for your bag. Final verdict: the most automated feeling wood on the list. Just point, shoot, and watch it fly. Number 1. PING G440 Max 2026. Performance. The PING G440 Max takes the #1 spot because it is the most complete package of distance, control, and sound ever produced. It features a 4% taller face than its predecessor, giving you driver-like confidence off the tee while maintaining a low CG for effortless off-the-deck shots. Technology and features. The Carbon Fly crown returns, but this new year, PING introduced free Hassel technology, removing 11.5 grams from the neck of the club to boost stability. It's the most technologically advanced fairway wood 2026 has seen. Design and build. It's beautiful. The muted premium sound at impact is the best in the business. The contoured sole design ensures the club sits flush regardless of how you adjust the loft. Weight and portability. Perfectly balanced. It feels like an extension of your arms. Available in 3, 4, 5, 7, and 9 wood lofts to fit any gapping need. Pros: the best sound and feel on the market. Extremely versatile from both tee and turf. Exceptional 8-position adjustable Hassel. Cons: often on back order due to high demand. Premium price tag. Best for/ideal use. Everyone, truly. From tour pros to high handicappers, the G440 Max fits almost every swing type. Price and value.
Retailing at $379, it's not cheap, but it's the most consistently top-rated fairway wood 2026. It's a forever club that will stay in your bag for years. Final verdict: the G440 Max is the gold standard. If you want the best of the best, this is it. Mini Buyer's Guide. Choosing the right wood comes down to your main problem. Need more accuracy? Go with the PING G440 Max or TaylorMade Qi35 Max. They are built to stay straight. Struggle with long irons? The PXG Lightning 11 wood is your new best friend. It's a total game changer for consistency. Want to shape your shots? The Titleist GT1 Tour offers the workability that better players crave. On a budget, the Cobra Darkspeed X gives you 95% of the performance of the other brands for a much lower price.